Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-dive into a crucial topic for anyone building a website in 2026, how to pick the perfect domain host. Making the wrong choice here can lead to slow load times, terrible customer service, and even security risks. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for and what pitfalls to avoid. First things first, let us talk about the biggest mistake I see people make. Confusing a domain registrar with a web host. A domain registrar is where you buy your website's name, like mikkelsite.com. A web host is where you store all your website's files, making them accessible to the world. Now, many companies offer both services bundled together, which can be super convenient. But sometimes, keeping them separate gives you more flexibility. If you ever want to change hosts, you won't have to go through the headache of transferring your domain too. It's something to think about, especially if you plan to scale your site in the future. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of choosing a host. The first mistake to avoid is falling for those super cheap, too good to be true introductory offers without reading the fine print. You'll often see hosting for just a couple of dollars a month. Sounds amazing, right? But what they don't always advertise is the renewal price. After your first year, that price could jump up by 300% or even more. Always, and I mean always, check the renewal rates before you commit. A slightly higher initial cost with a stable, predictable renewal fee is often a much better long-term deal. The second mistake is ignoring uptime and reliability. Uptime is the percentage of time your website is online and accessible. If your site is down, you're losing visitors, customers, and credibility. Look for hosts that guarantee at least 99.9% uptime. Many will even offer compensation if they fail to meet that promise. You can check independent review sites to see real-world performance data. Don't just take the hosting company's word for it! A reliable host is the foundation of a successful online presence. Next up, mistake number 3, underestimating your need for good customer support. Picture this. It's midnight, your website has crashed, and you have a huge launch happening in the morning. This is when you need fast, helpful support. Before you sign up, check what kind of support they offer. 7分の24. Is it available through live chat, phone, and email? I even recommend testing their support before you buy. Send them a pre-sales question via live chat and see how quickly and effectively they respond. If they're slow to answer a potential new customer, imagine how they'll be when you have a real problem. Mistake number 4 is choosing the wrong type of hosting for your needs. There are several main types: shared, VPs, and dedicated. Shared hosting is the cheapest option, where you share a server's resources with hundreds of other websites. It's great for beginners with small blogs or personal sites. But if you expect more traffic, or if another site on your shared server gets a huge traffic spike, your site could slow down to a crawl. This is where a VPS or virtual private server comes in. With a VPS, you still share a physical server, but you get your own dedicated slice of its resources. It offers more power and control than shared hosting without the high cost of a dedicated server. It's a great middle ground for growing businesses. Finally, there's dedicated hosting, where you rent an entire server for yourself. This gives you maximum performance, security, and control, but it's also the most expensive. It's really only necessary for large-scale websites with massive amounts of traffic. Choosing the right plan from the start will save you from performance bottlenecks and migration hassles down the road. And the final mistake to avoid in 2026 is overlooking security features. Your host is your website's first line of defense against hackers and malware. A good host should provide free SSL certificates that what gives you the little padlock in the browser bar and encrypts data. They should also offer regular backups, malware scanning, and robust firewalls. Don't cheap out on security. The cost of cleaning up a hacked site is far greater than the cost of a secure hosting plan. So, to recap, check renewal prices, demand high uptime, test customer support, choose the right hosting type for your goals, and prioritize security. If you keep these 5 points in mind, you will be well on your way to picking a fantastic domain host that will support your website's growth for years to come. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your own hosting experiences, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you've got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content to help you succeed online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.